Welcome back to Candy English Podcast. I'm Candy. I'm an English coach.
And I'm Yang. I'm learning English.
Today, this is our final episode in the series, Why Repeating the Same English Changes Your Brain. We talked about rest, deep understanding, invisible growth. And today, we talk about something bigger.
Bigger?
Yes, maybe repeating does not only change how we learn English.
Maybe it changes how we see ourselves.
That sounds big.
Imagine this. You read a story when you are young, and then you read the same story 10 years later.
The story is the same.
Yes, but you are different.
So the meaning changes.
Exactly. The story stays. You change. And because the story stays, you can see yourself more clearly.
Interesting. Like a mirror?
Yes, a gentle mirror. The same podcast, the same movie, the same book. They become a place you return to.
Like home.
Beautifully said. Like home. Sometimes repeating familiar things helps our hearts rest, especially when life feels difficult.
I think many people need that now.
Me too. We live in a world full of new information.
More videos, more news, more pressure, more noise.
Always something new.
Yes, but maybe wisdom grows differently.
Sometimes wisdom grows through returning.
Returning to something familiar, something meaningful.
So repeating is not staying still.
No, repeating can become a journey inward.
Inward toward ourselves?
Yes, and maybe that is why some books, movies, or songs stay with us for many years. They grow as we grow.
I never thought about that.
Maybe your English can grow this way too.
So, could you tell me about your first job?
Not with pressure, but with time.
I like that. Growing naturally.
Me too. So today, please remember, you do not need to rush. You do not need to chase everything new. Sometimes coming back to one beautiful story is enough.
Again and again.
Yes, again and again. That is not going backward. That may be how we become deeper.
Thank you for this series, Candy.
And thank you, Yang. And thank you, everyone listening.
If this podcast helped you enjoy English or helped you feel calmer, please subscribe to the channel.
Your subscription helps this podcast reach more English learners around the world. We will continue sharing gentle English, beautiful stories, and ideas that help us grow.
See you again soon.
Take care and enjoy your English journey. Bye!